Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of science. Today we will continue with lesson 10, that is weather and seasons. In the previous session you have studied about weather, factors that affect weather. Today you will be able to learn about seasons. So let's start with seasons. Weather changes in a fixed cycle throughout the year. The changes in weather are called seasons. Weather में होने वाले changes को seasons कहते हैं. The main seasons are summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. Summer season. The summer season is hot and dry. We sweat a lot in this season. Sweat means पसीना. इस मौसम में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. Our body loses water and salts during sweating. पसीने के टाइम हमारी बॉडी से वाटर और salts रिमूव होते हैं. We should drink plenty of water in this season. इस मौसम में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. Plenty of water means बहुत ज़्यादा पानी. We take fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber in the summer. Summer में that means गर्मियों में हमें ये fruits खाने चाहिए because they have lots of water in them. क्योंकि इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा amount में पानी होता है. We should wear light colored cotton clothes in summer because they absorb sweat and keep us cool. हमें इस मौसम में लाइट कलर दैट मीन हल्के रंग के और कॉटन के कपड़े पहनने चाहिए क्योंकि कॉटन के क्लोथ्स पसीने को बहुत जल्दी सोख लेते हैं और हमें ठंडा रखते हैं. रेनी सीजन. द रेनी सीजन comes after the summer season. Air has too much moisture in this season, so it becomes hot and humid. The sweat does not dry out and we feel very sticky. रेनी सीजन में एयर में बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर होने की वजह से पसीना सूखता नहीं जिसकी वजह से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चिपचिपाहट फील होती है. We protect ourselves from rain by using umbrella and raincoats. We wear light and easy to dry clothes during this season. इस मौसम में हमें हल्के और जल्दी से सूखने वाले कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. Autumn season. Autumn season comes after the rainy season. It is very pleasant season. Pleasant means सुहावना, जो हमें अच्छा लगे. Trees shed their leaves. पेड़ इस मौसम में अपने पत्ते गिरा देते हैं. That means उनके पत्ते झड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं. And air becomes cool in this season. Winter season. The winter season comes after the autumn season. It is very cool and dry. We wear full-sleeved and woolen clothes in this season. We like to have hot foods and drinks to keep ourselves warm. Some hilly places in India have snowfall in winter. These places becomes very cold after the snowfall. Spring season. The spring season comes after the winter season. The weather becomes very pleasant during the spring season. Most plants get new leaves and blossom in the spring. ज़्यादातर पेड़ों के नए पत्ते आते हैं और नए फूल खिलते हैं. The parks and the gardens are full with beautiful flowers. गार्डन और पार्क्स ब्यूटीफुल दैट मीन्स सुंदर फूलों से भर जाते हैं. Let's summarize what we have learnt. Changes in weather for a long time are called seasons. The main seasons are summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Okay students, hope you have understood. Read the lesson attentively and after that try to solve bookwork and question answers. Thank you and have a nice day.